Kamite ya jajo iretongoragio ni Ndagitari Willy Sakwale mari mwena wa Kitale kaunti-ini ya Trans Nzoia hamwe na minista wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahi Kagwe oigite riu kuri na mibango mieru iria iruguritio ni thirikari ya maobitha a ugima wa mwiri kuingira matura-ini na kwandikithia andu aria akuru niguo mamukire jajo.
We are doing what we call pre-registration. Pre-registration is in three forms. You can use a mobile app technology, as has been demonstrated here, but we also know the elderly may not be that technologically savvy. So what we are doing is to do assisted registration. Assisted registration can be either by community health workers who will go and take the particulars of old people within villages.
Akwale akiuga o ni kumana na uria kuonekete ati andu aria aingi marakua ni COVID-19 ni aria mari na miaka 50 kwabatira.
The strategies we are doing, and we are happy we've demonstrated it here, is to target the elderly who are at most risk of death from this pandemic. 3/4 of the deaths occurring in persons 50 years.
Hindi no Kagwe akiuga thirikari ona yaya gukiria andu aria ratanya gutheca jajo mwaka uyu ukiuga ni uthire amu jajo ciekuo kwa uingi.
If we were to be supplied tomorrow, we have bought in some 13 million doses of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. But in addition to that, even what we are talking about now, to date, we have vaccinated about 2.7 million Kenyans, all of them on the first dose, and moving on to 1 million for the second dose. But I think that when you see that and when you consider the improved supplies that we expect, and as you have heard, we are expecting a couple of millions in the next couple of days, even in fact in the month of September, we expect quite a bit. So assuming that that supply chain goes the way that we have planned as the Ministry of Health, we can even surpass the 10 million figure. But of course, let's be cautious here. It is dependent on whether indeed the suppliers that we have contacted are able to supply us.
Marete mare thibitari no Trans Nzoia Rifaro uria urathi na mbere gwakwo makiruguria mashini ngurani cia gukinyaniria motungata ma ugima wa mwiri. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njetago Wanjiku wa Kimani.